Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Blooming Gusto Relish Live with me. Hi, this is Anurupa. Today I will be starting a whole new series on the summer season 2025, including fashion, beauty, entertainment, recipes and foods, as well as art and lifestyle. So, are you tired of the same old summer meals and you're craving for some unique and flavorful foods and recipes? Today's video includes a one dish of the global fusion recipe featuring the summery goodness of soy cutlets. In this video, you will get to see the process of making soy cutlets, and definitely you will get to know the benefits of soya cutlets and their ingredients and its ingredients. So join the global food fusion craze with the sensational summer recipe with soya cutlets. So I will be combining the beloved flavors from around the world in a single dish, which will be trendy and utterly delicious. So before we dig into the main video with the recipe and the process of making the soybean cutlet, let's know about the history of soybean. Soybeans are typically grown during the Kharif season in India. The Kharif season is referred to as the monsoon season. This season is the cropping season in the South Asia, especially in India, which runs from June to October. This Kharif season is characterized by the arrival of the southwest monsoon and the hot and humid weather, which is a typical weather for growing some varieties of crop or seed. Cultivation of soybean is done from the third week of June to the first fortnight of July in northern India, and in other regions, soybeans can be planted as early as late April or early May. And while we'll be using the soya chunks, let's know about the history of soya chunks. History of soya chunks relates to the development of the textured vegetable protein that was developed in the 1950s for some affordable yet high in protein rich food, which can be used in variety of dishes. And now, without any further delay, let's get into the main video, the recipe, the process. Stay tuned. Now let's know about the ingredients of soy cutlets for our summer buzzing recipe. For soy cutlet, we need soya chunks, the master ingredient, some boiled and mashed potatoes, tomatoes, onion, green chilies, ginger and garlic, salt, spices, which will be garam masala, and egg, some biscuit crumbs, etc. And for sauce, we'll be making pumpkin sauce. For pumpkin sauce, we need soy sauce, pumpkin puree, ginger, garlic, green chili, vinegar, and salt to taste. And for salad, we'll be using carrot and onions. So without any further delay, let's get into the process of making soy cutlet. And the last but not the least ingredient is the oil for some deep frying. I'll be using rice bran oil. And while you watch the process of making soy cutlets, I will let you know the nutritional aspects or the nutritional value of the protein-rich food or recipe, which is soy cutlets and, and its ingredients. So stay tuned. Now, while you watch the process of making the soybean cutlet, a high source of protein, as well, I have given a beautiful twist with it to the soybean cutlet. Let's know the ingredients and the nutritional facts of the soybean cutlet and its ingredients. First comes the soy chunks, the main ingredient. 100 gram of serving typically provides around 345 calories, 52 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber, and 0.5 gram to 1 gram of fat. Second ingredients are the potatoes. 100 gram of serving with skin contains approximately 77 calories, primarily from carbohydrates. It's a good source of potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, while being low in fat and containing moderate amount of protein. Third ingredient are the onions. 100 gram of serving of raw onions contains approximately 40 to 44 calories, 9 to 10 grams of carbohydrates, 1 to 1.4 grams of protein, and 0.1 to 0.2 grams of fat. Here comes the tomatoes. 100 gram of serving of raw tomatoes contains approximately 18 calories, 3.9 grams of carbohydrates, 1.2 grams of fiber, 2.6 grams of sugar, 0.9 grams of protein, and 0.2 grams of fat. They are also very good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and various antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. Next comes the egg. 100 gram serving of whole eggs contains approximately 143 calories, 13 grams of protein, 9.5 grams of fat, and 0.7 grams of carbohydrates. It also provides various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Next comes the spices. These spices are basically known as garam masala in India, and these includes a blend of aromatic Indian spices which are coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cardamom including both green and black, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Other varieties of garam masala can also include mace, bay leaf, fennel, and turmeric, which may vary depending on the dish. Therefore, 100 gram of serving typically contains around 364 to 394 calories with varying amount of protein, 11 to 17 gram, carbohydrates 30 to 62 gram, and fats 8 to 24 grams. About the storage of this soybean cutlet or soy cutlet, you can store it for 2 to 3 days without the batter, like only the mixture. And if you are storing it with the batter coated with the biscuit crumbs, you can store it for 1 to 2 days. And now my mixture is getting cooled down. And a small tip, store it in you need not to deep freeze it, you can store it in the normal freeze. And as well, my sauce is also ready, the pumpkin sauce. I'll show you. Okay, so serve it with any side dish, any main dish, as a snack. You can have it with sauces and dips, as well as salads. The sauce I have made is, as you have already seen, it's a pumpkin sauce. I have combined it with soy sauce, pumpkin puree, garlic, ginger, a little bit of salt, vinegar, and green chilies. This sauce will give you a little bit of tangy flavor with sweetness and to crave for more and more. And pumpkin, a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, as well as they have 49 calories. And regarding carrot, they are a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin K, and fiber. And now, so that's all for today. It's a wrap-up time now. I hope you have enjoyed this delightful video, and therefore do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all new notifications for more and more such delightful videos. Do like and share, and you have got any feedback, any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to all of you. And now signing off from Blooming as the Relish Life with me. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.